Alright YouTube, in this video we are going to see how to create this car listing website using WordPress and a plugin called pods. Now let's see, this is a page created with pods. Now what it does, you can see we have the title and we have the description as in highlights, and again the main description and the light box. So if you see, this page is not created with this is created with Elementor, but we are filling this as custom field. Let me show you in a minute. We have created this car page as an post type, so we just have to fill the form. Like we have to fill the heading, we have to fill the text, we have to fill the make, we have to fill the year, and it would be auto update. Previously we were designing the whole page, but in this video we will be designing one page, and one page it will act as a placeholder, and whatever that can be seen. Let me zoom in, Control 0. So this is how it looks. I just wanted to show you as a full view. So now you can see the title is the BMW, and this description is over here, and we can see the make. I'm filling the make. The make is available here, and then we have gallery. So we have gallery image, you can see the 4 images, and then year of manufacture. If you want to change this 2018, click on update. Now if you see, this is 2019, and if I refresh it, now I have made 2019, and on the view itself it's 2019, so it will be auto updated. Now we have gallery, as I have already shown you, then price, contact, so this is what we are going to create, this page with the plugin. And if you want to see as a full what are the cars are available, you can visit this link, and you can see at present we have only 2 cars. Let's check this. This is also created with the same way. We have created custom post type and fill all the required field in the form, and then it will be populated in this placeholder template. Now you can see this is a Valeno. You can edit this used car. Just wanted to show you on the dashboard. You will see the post type, nothing new. It's the same BMW page, so you can see the post type here. Now let's start from scratch. Now I have installed the fresh WordPress on the XAMPP htdocs folder. So you will see WordPress. I have extracted it. You will see this is the file. Just copy this and paste it. And one more thing, here we'll be using Elementor Pro. Now in case if you don't know how to purchase it, we have a website called Fiverr. In that Fiverr website you can pay 300 rupees for a year for the plugin Elementor Pro. If you don't get it, you can search in the YouTube. There are many videos related to this. I would recommend you to not to purchase the full price, like it would be like $41 Elementor Pro. Now if you visit Fiverr, then you can get it in $5. So I have downloaded the WordPress file. Now just name it as cars. Now we need to create a database. Here you can see localhost/phpMyAdmin. Click on new and just type cars, click create, and that's it. Now we just need to access the folder using localhost/cars. Click on continue. Now we need to pass the database information here. It's cars, username is root, password is none. Click on submit, run installation, and now site title and username, password, discourage. Now this is the credential we will be using and creating the pages. Now we can access the dashboard. Just type cars/wp-admin. Now it is asking for the credential we just created. Let me install the required themes and plugins. So we need Elementor Pro and pods. I'm going to activate it. So the theme is Astra. Let me activate this. And for the header, let's get into the customize. Now we have activated the Astra theme. Now you can see on the site builder, sorry, header builder, we can have the logo. I have uploaded all the required files. Let's use this for logo. You can crop this. Cool. Now if you want, we just need to make the width very small. You can remove the title, and that's it. Later on we will be adding the menu. Now we don't have any pages, so we won't be able to add any pages to the menu. Cool, that's done. Now we need to get into the pods admin, so add new. So we'll be creating a post type. Now you can see the used car is not available as a post type. We'll be create new. So now this is going to be like pages, and it's used car singular, for plural used cars. Next step. So now if you see, there is used car a post type. Now we need to add fields. So add field. So let me see, click on the car. So what are the fields we require? And we need an archive. So archive is nothing but the page. If you see, previously I have shown two products were there on the home page, or you can say all used car pages. So it is because the archive. So I have made this archive, enable archive. Cool. Now what are the things? Now we need, and on the advanced option tab, what are the things we need? We need title editor and excerpt and a featured image. So why do we need this? So this is featured image, this is title, and this is excerpt. Now these are the field name we will be creating right now. So on the field, add field type, we don't need this. Now we can control. Now we need make, and we don't need description. Let this be plain text. If you want to make this required, then it is required one. If you don't fill, you will get an error. So I'll leave as it is. So usually what I do is I will make this required. Now I would recommend you to click this required. Now there is no much options that we need to change. Now click on add field. The next thing is year of manufacturer. So now you can see a field is added. Now let's make manufacturer. Description, plain text required. The same. The third one, save. The fourth field, and this is on content, so we don't have to do anything. And this is excerpt. Now the final, we need to add the gallery. Finally, gallery, type G, or you will find image, file, image and video, save field. Now these all fields where we can see is on the used car. So add new. So now on the add used cars, you can see these are the fields. Now let's fill one by one. Cool, I was searching for this featured image. It took time to load. Now let me add the featured image. So this is going to be, let it load. So let's pick this featured image, and for the excerpt content, copy this, excerpt, paste it. Then we need a title, the paragraph, Then what else we have? We have make, year of manufacturing, distance driven, design, I think we missed the contact. Let's publish this and add contact. Field, add field, contact. We can drag this and change the position. Save pod. Cool, that's done. Now, where is the page? Used cars, all used cars. Click on it. Now you should find the field for contact, because we have created some. Add image from the media library. 1, 2. Actually, I think we made a mistake on the gallery. We should choose multiple files. I'm going to save the pod and refresh the page again. That is done. Now just add the images. Now you would able to pick. Just press shift to select all. Contact has not properly updated. Now if you want to see the page, we won't be able to see the custom field which we have added, just the featured image, the title and the content. So what we need to do is, let's edit this page and remove the sidebar. This is the Astra, no sidebar, and no sidebar. So now we are going to create the design. So for that, templates, add new. Now it is asking to create the template. It is going to be single post and we can give any name. So single car design. Click on create template. So it is asking to choose. We are not going to choose anything. We are going to create it from scratch. Now 2 columns, image, drag drop, click on dynamic tag, and it's going to be featured image. Now to see the preview, we have to get into the settings, preview settings, and the post type we need to choose. And the preview is, we have created Valeno, so Valeno preview will be available. Click on apply preview. The page will load. So you can see the preview is available. Now we need heading, drag drop, dynamic tag, post title, this one. Now we can edit this style. I'm leaving this to you, or it will take some time. Now we need excerpt. So for excerpt, excer, let's type post excerpt, excerpt. Post excerpt is also available. Now we need to create 2 sections. Inner section we need to find. So for inner section, drag drop, and inside the inner section we need icon box. Choose the icon, car. So I'll be using the same icon for every other field. I would recommend you to use this way, like for this car, calendar, map, again car, again money, again contact. I'll leave this to you. Just search as I have did. So for title we need to choose let's just make this as make, and here on dynamic tab we need to find pots. So pots field, click on this French, and we need to choose make. Now it will auto populate. Now we just need to change the design. Let this be black, and we have to make this on the side, on the icons on the side. I believe everything is good. Now get into the heading, content. Let's make this black, and we can adjust the spacing. I'm leaving this to you. And bottom, the car on the bottom, or vertical align middle. Cool. Just copy this, paste. What else we have? We have year of manufacturing. Just type the year of manufacturing here, and on the pod it is going to be year of manufacturing. Duplicate this, duplicate the whole intersection. Now we need distance driven. Select the pod, distance driven. Then again design for this. Design, price, duplicate this. Then contact. And that's it. For now, again 2 columns. We need to search for gallery. Paste this. So drag and drop it. Now ports gallery field. Multiple. It's just single. We need to choose the key. We need to be at 2, so that's there. Now finally what is we need content. CONTENT, post content. Just drop it over here, and that's done. Save this, add condition, and this single is just for the used cars, and that's it. Save. Now we can view this page. Now I would recommend you to add the same for BMW, but I'm just skipping it, so it is going to be the repetitive work as we have done for the Baleno car. So this is Baleno, and we got the same page as we need. Now it's time to create the listing page. So for the listing page, what we need to do is we have to create the archive. So on the Elementor, templates, add new. Previously we selected post, now we need to select the archive. So you can see we need to select the archive, and all cars, create template. It is asking for suggestions, so you don't need. I will be creating it from scratch. Full column, and over here what we can search for is archive post, and we need to find the pods where we can add pods. Let's change the preview. Used car archive, apply and preview. You can see there is the blue progress bar. At present we just have only one car, so one car will be there. So one car, let's edit this. Now you can remove the date and comment, just backspace this. Click on publish, add condition. This archive is for used cars. Save. Once it's saved, now on the menus, header builder, we can create menu, primary menu, menu configure here, create menu, any name, just type menus, next. add item. We need used cars. Where is used cars? It's not there, so we have to refresh this page, because this page is already there before creating the archive. Before we create archive, this page was loaded and it was there. That's why we could not see the uh, archive page. Primary menu, configure the menu, create new menu, give the name of the menu, next, add menu. You should find used cars, archive, and it's there, publish. Now on the main home page you will see used cars. Here you can see used car archive. You can edit this type used car or all used cars. It's getting saved. So this is the home page, it is getting loaded. So this is the home page. You can see used car archives. It's not saved yet. So once you click on used car archives, you will see all the cars on the website. We have just added one car, so one car is available. So if you click on read more, you will see the integer car page, which we have created with single post on Elementor template. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for listening.